And I'm Jeremy.
And on this episode of One More Thing, we are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg to ride the Loch Ness Monster. The legend lives on. Unfortunately, we were out of town for the member preview and the grand opening, so we're so excited to be here today to experience the reimagined Loch Ness Monster. I have really fond memories of riding this ride.
Yeah, me too.
As a kid, like in middle school and high school, so I'm really excited to see how they've reimagined it. Personally, I have avoided watching any videos so that, you know, I want to be surprised today.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, we might see Nessie today. What do you think?
I don't know, Lassie. We'll find out.
All right, let's go. Got a shot glass. It's pretty cute. A stick-on patch. It says Loch Ness Monster, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. And a lanyard. A little lanyard pouch. Very nice.
All right, so we just rode the Loch Ness Monster roller coaster. What'd you think?
I loved it. I mean, I have a lot of nostalgia for the Loch Ness Monster. I rode it a lot in middle school and high school. I didn't notice a huge difference in the smoothness of the ride. She's a bumpy girl, she always has been. I like that about her. What I loved is the little touches of technology they added in.
Yeah.
Like the cave scene with the screens in the cave. There's a beautiful Nessie on the right hand side after that second loop. Like, I just love that they've put in a little bit of tender loving care to keep an attraction like Loch Ness running as best as she can. I mean, she's been around since 1978.
Yeah, it's like one of the oldest rides in the park. And it's, yeah, I mean, they replaced, what, 900 feet of track?
Yeah.
And it just, I thought it would be a lot smoother. It wasn't bad. I mean, it's still a great roller coaster. But it was neat, yeah, seeing the animations and just the overall upgrades.
I didn't realize that she is a registered landmark with the American Coaster Enthusiast Organization. She was awarded that in 2003. So Nessie is a landmark. She is still amazing. I loved it. It's something I'll definitely ride again and again. Again, like, I didn't notice a huge difference in like the smoothness of the track or anything, but I loved those little touches that they added. They added some cute little things in the queue. We didn't go through the whole queue, but we waited about 20 minutes.
Yeah, which is worth it. I mean, it's worth even like a 45, maybe to an hour long wait, just because it's such a iconic ride for the park itself.
Yeah. So she's a feisty girl. I'm glad that she's still around to be feisty.
Yeah.
All right, next up, I think we're going to celebrate with some Loch Ness drinks. So let's head to Germany.
Let's do it.
I picked up the Loch Ness Libation from Barcastle Spirits. It is Juarez Silver Tequila with Granny Smith Apple. Cheers. Ooh, that's good. You can really taste the tequila on that, and I really like the Granny Smith apple because it's not too sweet. It's like a little bit more tart. This is excellent. This is like, it's like an apple margarita, like an apple flavored margarita. Not too sweet. Again, you can really taste that tequila. Yeah, that's excellent. I like that. I would get that again. Okay, we just took the sky ride from Germany to Scotland, or Italy. We're in Italy.
Italy.
So we are going to walk over and we're going to give the turkey booth another try because Food and Wine Festival is still going on, and I think the turkey booth still has some stuff to show us. So
let's find out
that way. Let's get a snack, maybe a dessert.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Yep.
So for being premier Busch Gardens Williamsburg members, every time we come to the Food and Wine Festival, we get a free food and wine item per person. So we're going to use those for a little snack and dessert at the turkey booth.
So I picked up from the turkey booth the doner kebab. It's a beef and lamb shawarma with tomato, feta, olive, and cucumber. Oh, that's very good. It's got a light little seasoning on the meat. Tiniest little kick. It's so flavorful.
It's not too spicy though?
Not too spicy. A little bit of acidity with the salad portion of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, the meat's very tender, very delicious.
Looks really good. Can't wait to try the olives in there. I know you don't like olives, but I love olives.
Those are for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to dig into the mosaic pasta tarifi. It's this pistachio tea biscuit with chocolate cake. Here's a good like bite cross section of it. Ooh. Cheers. Wow. That is extremely rich. It is very similar to eating like chocolate fudge. Hi, Train. I like the pistachios in it. It gives it a nice crunch, and I love the pistachio flavor, but that chocolate cake is very, very rich. Like, it's like the consistency of fudge. So if you are a consistency averse type person, or consistencies like fudge might throw you off, maybe stay away from this one. I love fudge, I love chocolate, I love pistachios. This one's a win for me. I like it a lot. Okay, we agree. The turkey booth has redeemed itself.
It has.
Since the summit we said was a little dry. We were just like a little disappointed. We thought, like, we believed it could be better bread.
Yeah.
We wanted to revisit the turkey booth, give it another shot. I'm obsessed with this shawarma. I love the meat. I love the feta. I love the olives. Like,
a lot more flavors.
A lot more flavors.
Yeah.
And honestly, the more that I'm eating the mosaic chocolate fudge block, that's what I'm calling it. Like,
It's pretty much fudge.
It's really good. Like,
Pistachio.
I love it. I love the crunch of the pistachios. I think that the consistency is really good. I don't like, it's not too sweet for me. It's probably just as sweet as I would want my dessert to be.
Yeah, same for me. Yeah, the more I eat it, the more I
like it.
get more flavor out of it. And at first it did seem extra rich, but it's not too bad.
Way to go, turkey.
Way to go.
Hats off. Okay, we are done with our snacks at the turkey booth, and I think we're gonna head to the train station in Italy and go for a little train ride to take us back to Scotland.
Sounds good.
Another perk that we get for being Busch Gardens Williamsburg Premier members is we get this free Loch Ness Monster sticker. So we're gonna go pick that up from Tweedside Gifts. Alright, here's our stickers we picked up from Tweedside Gifts. Really cute.
Yeah.
It says Loch Ness Monster, the legend lives on, member. I like that.
Nice.
Okay, I would like to propose a friendly wager.
Okay, what do you got?
Winner picks something that the loser has to wear and purchase and wear.
Like a tacky hat or t-shirt or something?
Loch Ness themed.
Ooh.
I propose a coin flip via my app on my phone.
Okay.
What do you say? Do you accept?
The best man win.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, I'm gonna be heads.
Okay, and I'll be tails.
Alright, flip it.
Let's go.
I hope this app isn't rigged in your favor.
What's it gonna be? Heads, you win. So you get to pick something that I have to wear and purchase.
Never win anything. You see that, everybody?
You won.
Heads it is.
Look at that.
Alright, so they have these kind of normal looking shirts.
I actually really like this one if you're feeling inclined
I'm not feeling that one.
to be merciful.
Follow me over here.
Alright. They've got some like generic Scotland. What? Look, I'm getting Scott in here. That's
I
clever.
do like that, but I'm thinking more of this.
Seriously?
Yes, in
That's-
all its glory.
That's the one.
see if they have your size.
So I have to wear that.
Yes, you do.
All right, I'm a good sport. Let's do it.
Okay.
It looks really good. You happy with it?
Yellow's my color. It looks so good on me.
I knew you would like it.
So that wraps up our day at Busch Gardens, checking out the new Loch Ness roller coaster. Did you have a good day?
I loved it. I thought they did a great job reimagining Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster, the legend lives on.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I love that roller coaster. I loved trying the Loch Ness drink that we had and revisiting the turkey booth. Yeah, overall, I think it was a really awesome day. We had great weather. It was overcast. So I had a great time.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, a lot of fun.
Yes, but there's one more thing.